Action!
Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open gift ends. And then I'll take a look at your back. And cameraman, can you talk?
Yes?
But why you did not talk when
Because I'm focusing on filming the video for you.
Okay. This must be a very good video.
Okay, this is what?
This
Give
is
them
gift
Series
ends.
2 and... Well,
Series 2 and you can get 90.
who are those two girls? This one from Peru and the other one is from Czech Republic.
Czech Republic.
Have you been there before? I guess you ran there before. You ran to
Of
Prague.
course,
You went to Prague 2 times.
Mm-hmm.
And it's fun, right? And you see all the castles and all the old buildings. It's so
And
beautiful.
sometimes when I go to this place,
Czech
or
Republic.
this, I just went this place.
Mm.
And then sometimes I just got in the train and smelled poo.
Yeah, I remember that you
Yeah. Oh,
smells.
that was right. I
Well,
remember.
we took a train from Germany to Prague. And
it
the
was
second
very
time we
stinky.
fly on Lufthansa, if I'm right.
And it's very so sticky.
Yes, thank you.
And then the train is very stinky. I just smell poop from the cow's poop. Okay, let's open this.
Yeah, let's open it now. We talk too much nonsense, right?
What nonsense? I'm not any nonsense.
I like your t-shirt, the t-shirt. Scabushu. Okay, let's see.
I hope we get another football team. We have 2 players of football already. Remember, this one is from this one, and this one is from this one. Let's open and where she comes from. I almost broke it again. Why do I always do that? Other people. I'm not supposed to do that.
And the girl from Peru is from Lima. Her name is Cindy.
Cindy, yeah?
And how about the girl from Czech? She's from Prague. It's called Chelsea.
Chelsea!
Chelsea.
Chelsea. I also saw a movie. There's some Barbie named Chelsea. Okay, let's open it.
This one is the surprise.
Another football.
Sure?
Yeah, because it's the same bag.
Well, sure.
It's not a football, it's for a cheerleader. It's a cheerleader.
Can you show us the ball?
For when they go to football, they cheer them. They do like sometimes they do holding the thing that has so many
You know where's this
pink
girl
strips
from?
and they
This girl is from where?
America.
Yeah, from United States of America. It's from Las
Sometimes
Vegas. Debbie.
I'm trying to talk. Sometimes when they hold this ball with so many pink shiny strips on it, sometimes they do it. Clap. What? Like that.
Yeah, you're a cheerleader, Audrey.
I'm not a cheerleader. She's a cheerleader. Her skin is a pretty dark. A little bit, like this one.
Yeah, they got some suntan.
Suntan. Also, got this cheerleader. Very cool. She's very... I thought it was a football, but it was a cheerleader. We got 2 footballs and 1 cheerleader. How much cheerleader is in the flyer?
I don't know.
Can you check? Is Shelly?
I guess maybe a few. I don't know.
I see so many Americas. How are there so many America?
Yeah, it's okay here because America is a big country. They got a lot of places. Anyway.
How much cheerleader?
No, they didn't set here.
Oh!
Just talking about 12 soccer. Anyway, we try to get them later.
And I think to see a limited...
Let's have a close-up.
What the heck is wrong with the hair?
Let's have a close-up of them.
Oh, but these... Oh no. Let me open it first. She's from America and the sea, you'll see the swimming pool over this one. Excuse me, camera.
What?
And then you see the nice beach over there.
Yeah.
No, I mean the swimming pool. That has a pool. Let me put it down there. Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Bye.